In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Please Donate on Roblox on your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, anyways, let's say you're on your phone, you're playing Roblox and you're playing Please Donate, and you want it to be able for people to donate money to you and donate Robux to you, and also it would allow you to donate Robux to other people as well if you want to. So all you want to do is actually swipe out of Roblox, then just go to your browser of choice. So then you just want to go to create.roblox.com. It's the very top URL like you can see right there. And then all you want to do is once you're on create.roblox.com, it's going to show up like this. And on the top left, you're going to press those three little lines. Then just go over to creations, which is the second option. Then you just want to make sure that you have a place that is all ready. And then if you haven't got one, you have to make one. So then once you've made it, just go ahead and click on it. Then press those three little lines on the top left again. Scroll down in this section until you find monetization, as you can see right here. Then just go to passes, which is the third option. Then from here, all you want to do is press the blue button, which is create a pass. You can change the image to JPEG, PNG, or a BMP. Then you can just give it a name to whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it something like Sloth. Then you can have a description as well if you want to, up to 1,000 characters. So then all I'm going to do is press create pass, which is this blue button right here. And as you can see, it's made. And then you just have to activate it. And then when you go back to Roblox and you go back to Please Donate, people are going to be able to donate to you as long as you have a stall already set up.